What's going on, guys? It's Chris again from Hertz Audio. Today, we're going to give you 5 reasons why the Hertz Harley-Davidson cut-in kits have become the new industry standard. Let's get into this. Number 1, plug-and-play speaker wiring. All our kits include plug-and-play speaker wiring. We have speaker-specific plugs for inside the bag that plug directly into our SX690 Neos. We additionally, on the outside of the bag, have OEM-style waterproof connections that blend seamlessly into the factory Harley-Davidson wiring and are there for quick and easy disconnect, for removal of the bags, for service, and full utility of the vehicle. Number 2, factory fit speakers. Our factory fit speakers are built specifically to fit in the Harley-Davidson fairings and in our cut-in kits. The SX165 Neo and SX690 Neo are designed and developed to handle the wear and tear of the Harley environment. The 690 is built to specifically drop into the cut-in kit, into our brass metal bushings with machine screws for increased durability and reliability. The Neo magnet on the back of our speakers is not only highly energetic, it is also very, very lightweight, which also eliminates the wear and tear on the bike. Number 3, cut-in kit included. Our included cut-in kit isn't necessarily unique in the Harley space, but we have added a number of features which make it more reliable and easier to operate. You'll notice at the top of the cut-in kit, we don't just include 1 or 2 holes for mounting, we include a third, utilizing the engineering principle that triangles make it strong. We've also added 13 or 14 starting holes around the perimeter to ensure that whether you're left-handed or right-handed, whether you want to use a Dremel, an air saw, or a jigsaw, you'll be able to get a perfect cut every time. Number 4, power and performance. The power and performance of our Harley-Davidson kits is predicated on our SP 4.900 power amplifier. This amplifier is small in stature, which allows it to fit in the fairing of the Harleys very, very well. It's also IP rated for salt, fog, and vibration, includes sealed connections and terminals for reliability. The 160 watts a channel is going to give you plenty of sound, plenty of power to drive down the road at full tilt, doing 100 on the highway. And number 5, Italian design. The Italian design of our motorcycle cut-in kits has a couple of different components. Number 1 is reliability. The utilization of the brass inserts and machine screws makes sure that this kit is going to last forever. We could have made it look like everybody else's kit, but we wanted to be different. We wanted you to know that when you walked by and saw these fairings and saw these vents, that this was a Hertz system and you knew what you were about to hear. There you have it, guys. That's your 5 reasons that make the Hertz Harley-Davidson cut-in kits something unique, different, and high performance for your bike. If you need any more information, please visit the website at hertzaudio.com.